Hey guys, welcome back. So we are getting ready to attend Import Face-Off Car Show. You know I had to come hard with the fit, guys, to match Mumu. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. As you guys can tell, people know that we are a pair and we match pretty consistently whenever we attend events. The line was not too crazy, being that we got there a little later. Of course, I had to enter the car show with the GTR getting so much attention. This RX-7 was one of my favorites, super well done. Looking at this Corvette, I was really blown away by the level of detail. All the builds were definitely great and Mumu was having a good time modeling with the cars. We had to stop in and grab an iced coffee, which was great. Mumu was having a good time. Chance to meet a couple of GTR owners as well, which we had a good time.
Got you that, Max? Oh. Wait, can you see this? I'm excited about this.
Okay. Oh, that is beautiful.
Thanks for the gift, David. It was epic. You guys know I kept the calories on deck.
The owner
I was like, there's not too many cars.
Of this. Oh my goodness, y'all.
Yeah, no, I agree. It has like her.
The Subi is one of my favorite builds here. Congrats to Matt, loving the carbon fiber front. You know we had to have fun with the walking taco. It started pouring down raining, so we wrapped up the event a little early, which we were not mad about.
Oh my God, it's raining.
My poor life.
My poor life.
We had an amazing time.